ni mzuri.
All right, let's talk cost of living. Kenyans continue to feel the pinch of the high cost of living as commodity prices continue to skyrocket by the day. And as KTN's Brian Otieno found out, Kenyans are optimistic that better days are yet to come, even with an imminent general elections.
Kibera, Nairobi. 35-year-old Jacqueline Atieno goes about her house chores normally. She is a clothing vendor who hawks her wares but has had to stay at home as fewer people are willing to spend money on clothing. But though Atieno opted to stay at home and clean, she is unable to complete her laundry as the soap and detergent she budgeted for ran out before she finished cleaning. Ordinarily, a 20-shilling bar soap would be sufficient to meet her laundry needs, but not anymore. She's had to dig deeper into her pocket to have all her laundry done.
Sijamaliza juu sabuni imekuwa bei hard.
Okay.
Tumekuwa tu na kazi ngumu, vitu zimekuwa bei ghali. Uchumi imeenda juu zaidi.
She is just among the many Kenyans who have to contend with the high cost of living brought about by the inflation and taxes introduced on various commodities, gradually increasing the cost of commodities over time. For instance, if you went shopping in a supermarket back in 2011 with 1,000 Kenya shillings, you could afford a kilo of beef, tomatoes, English potatoes, rice, matumbo, dry beans, a 300-milliliter bottle of soda, a matchbox, a packet of cigarettes for the smoker, and a bottle of beer for a consumer of the same. However, according to the Kenya National Bureau of Statistics, in 2020, you needed an extra 627 shillings to afford these items. This is as a result of the high taxes levied on airtime, cooking gas, internet loans, and petroleum products, even as Kenyans deal with the pandemic. As for Jacqueline, it's a tough balancing act as she confesses having to sacrifice one commodity or another to make life bearable for her family of 2 children and her husband, who is equally a casual laborer.
Sisi tumeshtuka tu uchumi imeshutu mara moja juu vitu kitu kama hata sabuni imefika 200 na last time ilikuwa karibu 150. Imeongezeka na 50 bob.
Okay.
Kurezi 50 bob yenye huko umetarajia hujazoea fee kwa hapa nini na nini kwa ni stress.
Her hope is to have a boutique where she can sell clothes in large scale, but she is equally optimistic of the leadership that will be voted in the general elections coming up in just 6 months or less.
Serikali at least waangalie maisha sana sisi watu tunaishi hapa kijijini. Hapa Kibera. Waangalie maisha yetu. Juu unapata mimi ni mzee akienda kwa sola apate kidogo, fee iko hapa, rent iko hapa, maji iko hapa, sabuni, mafuta, vitu ndogo mingi. Paka sometimes unashindwa unaenda wapi na maisha.
Now, it goes without saying that Kenyans have borne the brunt of harsh economic times that have been escalated by the COVID-19 pandemic. But even so, most are pegging their hopes on this election that has been pegged as an economic revolutionary election. But how will this pan out? Brian Otieno, Kibera, Nairobi, for KTN News.
Back to farming.